The OmniPlex multiplex system features the flexibility of operating on one of three different display sizes: 7-inch, 10-inch, or 12-inch. This provides options for the end user based on available space in the cab or functional area. The display is a high-resolution screen with 1280 by 800 resolution and a very bright 1200 nits, which is the measure of brightness of a display. The interface is a touchscreen device, which is IP67 rated for operations indoors or outdoors in the elements. The impact-resistant screen is durable to handle the environments of operating in the emergency services. While the interface is built to the highest standards, accidents can happen. And the S-Vision makes replacement simple because the operating program is stored in the S-Core processor, not in the screen. So it's a simple one-connection plug-and-play replacement if a screen is damaged in the field. Controlling the systems on your apparatus is a critical operation. When you choose your control system, spec the best.